Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. And in today's video, we are going to quickly discuss the syllabus for CBSE Class 10th French, subject code 018, 2025-26 batch. So, this exam is going to take place in February or March 2026. And the pattern that we are going to discuss today is going to be for this specific exam only, your final CBSE board examination, which is of 3 hours and of 80 marks theory paper. 20 marks is in the hands of the school, that is the internal assessment. Ideally, your schools will be following this pattern only in your pre-boards as well, so that you are acquainted with this paper pattern. In the reading section, same as class 9th, we are going to have one unseen prose passage, either a factual one or a descriptive one, of 150 to 200 words, slightly longer than class 9th, with a picture or diagrammatically represented data. As we all know, 1 to 2 questions are always based on the infographic provided in the passage. For the writing section, one long composition informal letter based on the main themes given in lesson 2 to 8 and lesson number 10 for 80 words. Many letters have been already uploaded on my channel. Do check out my videos, right? A lot of topics have already been covered through my videos when it comes to letter writing for CBSE class 10 specifically. And it is very clearly indicated that the themes will be strictly from the 8 chapters that are coming in the exam. For example, if you are getting a letter, you will be having total 3 letters in your final exam. You need to attempt any one of them. So if there's a letter from lesson number 2, Après bac. So there are 2 letter questions possible. One is le système d'éducation de France, other one is le système d'éducation de l'Inde, right? So in that way, you would have to prepare your letters. 2 short compositions, 3 will be there. You need to attempt 2. Which 3 will be there? Number 1, message writing. Number 2, rearranging the dialogue in a sequential order or in a logical order. And completing a text with the helps of clues provided. Compléter l'histoire or compléter le texte. The words will be given in the question itself. You need to fit those words to the respective blanks wherever they are appropriately placed. Grammar section, verbs, all tenses done in class 9. So all tenses done in class 9. What all tenses were there? Present tense, futur simple, imperative, futur proche, passé composé, imparfait. Imperative is getting repeated twice for some reason. I don't know why. A, le verb pronomino. Right? Apart from these, what all things will be there? You will have conditionnel du présent, present conditional, futur antérieur, plus que parfait, et subjonctive. Subjonctive is not the part of complete mate en temps convenable. Okay, for CBSE class 12, it is a part of mate en temps convenable. But for CBSE class 10, subjunctive is a separate question altogether. And in mate en temps convenable, you have all these tenses that I listed before subjunctive. However, as observed in the PYQs, the actual CBSE board PYQs and the sample papers, there are 3 more tenses that you need to prepare. And they do come in the exam at times. One is passé récent. It has appeared a couple of times. Infinitive passé is one of the favorite questions, it seems, of CBSE. They had given it multiple times earlier. And the other one is affinitive, simply affinitive. Writing the infinitive of the verb. Like whenever you have a preposition and a blank, you usually put the infinitive directly, right? So these 3 tenses, additionally, you need to prepare. Please prepare them. Pronoun relative simple composé, que, qui, ou, dont, and then composé of all the 3 categories. The ones with are, the one with the, and the one with the miscellaneous prepositions. Please take care of contraction wherever possible. Pronom personnel, COD, COI, on, tonique, réfléchi, sujet pronom, etc. Tu veux la question, everything in tu veux la question will be there. Discours direct and indirect, all the cases that are there in Ontologian class 10 textbook. Declarative, then interrogative, imperative, right? Like that. Then negative, simple negation and the negative expressions for sure. Possessive, adjective et pronom. Demonstrative, adjective et pronom. Sampler composé. The ones sampler without C or la, composé with C or la. Note, personal pronoun will continue to be tested on as the topic is done in class 9. Of course, they have already mentioned it, but still good that they have mentioned it again. Culture de civilisation. Short answer questions, 10 marks. MCQs, 10 marks. You need to attempt 2 questions, 5 marks each. So the 3 questions will be vrai ou faux, relier les colonnes, et remplissez les blancs. Okay. The 8 chapters, students are not to be tested on texte smart pour aller plus loin and je découvre. Fine. As per the CBSE official syllabus, you may not need to prepare these 2. So, what are the 8 chapters that we have? Après le bac, chercher du travail, le plaisir de lire, les médias, chacun ses goûts, en pleine forme, l'environnement, vive la République. For internal assessment, as per CBSE guidelines for all subjects, 20 marks. Subject enrichment activity, ASL 5 marks, portfolio 5 marks, periodic tests 5 marks, multiple assessments 5 marks. Humble request to all the students, since this is internal assessment, 20 marks, please stay regular in your school and make sure that you are updated about all sorts of internal assessments that your teacher is going to conduct. Be present in them and prepare well for them. You guys need any help for the project or whatsoever task provided by the teacher, you have some doubts on that, you can put a comment on any of my videos. I'll be happy to help you out. Okay, you are expected to do some regular practice and regularly visit CBSE website for the guidelines. Prescribed textbook, Constitution Class 10, CBSE textbook lessons, lesson 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lesson number 10, which means 1, 9, 11, and 12 are not coming the way they are not being tested for the past 3 to 4 batches. Constitution Class 10, along with that, okay, Constitution Class 10, the entire textbook has been uploaded on my channel. I mean, the solution and the discussion of the entire textbook has been uploaded on my channel. Do check it out. Additionally, Constitution Class 10 Workbook, Kayyat Exercise by Mahita Ranjit. Lesson 1 to 8 and lesson number 10. Again, entire solutions have been uploaded on my channel. Do check out that playlist as well. It will be very helpful for you for your CBSE Class 10 board preparation. Lastly, a quick discussion on the paper pattern. 10 marks comprehension, 20 marks writing, 30 marks grammar, 20 marks culture de civilisation. Unseen prose, discuss what all things will be there. Short answer questions, of course, paragraph based questions. Vrai ou faux, et trouver dans le texte. Section B, expression, long compositions, any one. So 3 will be there, you need to do 1, informal letter. And again, 3 short will be there, you need to attempt 2. Rearranging of dialogue, compléter l'histoire, or rédiger un message. Section C, grammar, already discussed. Okay. Luckily, they have mentioned infinitive here, but along with that, please, along with these tenses, please prepare your infinitive passé and your passé récent as well. Okay, 7 questions will be there. You need to attempt 6. Okay, total 6 questions. Les verbes, fine, discussed. Disco direct and indirect over la question, les pronoms, négation, pronom relatif, simple composé, adjective et pronom possessive, adjective et pronom démonstratif, le subjunctif, 5 marks each, fine. Culture civilisation, already discussed. This is how your paper is going to be. Now, again, need not to say, you have any doubt, you have some queries, feel free to comment. Don't hesitate. Just type your doubts in the comment section of any of my videos. I'll be replying to them on the same day itself. And all the best for your board preparation. I am there throughout your journey to prepare for your final examination. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Lunch with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn from Anubhav. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.